That WSX file organizes your media playback in Windows Media Player, a playlist format that predates most modern streaming services. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open, convert, and migrate these media playlist files. I want to share my favorite troubleshooting shortcut. Use a dedicated WSX file viewer to check the file's integrity. I'll point you toward the most powerful option below. WSX files are playlist files created by Windows Media Player containing ordered lists of media file references for sequential playback. They store file paths, URLs, and basic metadata, defining a curated playback sequence of audio and video content within the Windows Media ecosystem. WSX playlist files use XML-based markup storing media entry elements with source path attributes, title metadata, and playback sequence ordering. The format references external media files rather than embedding audio or video data within the playlist file itself. Windows Media Player is the standard set by Microsoft Corporation for accessing the WSX format. Windows native tools lack the decompression modules necessary for this file. Windows displays only limited attributes, so meaningful access depends on the tool that created the file. Your initial diagnostic check, right-click the WSX file and choose Open With. Start with Windows Media Player if installed. If it's missing, select another program. The right compatibility hook exists somewhere. If your WSX file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. The system isn't broken, the file is simply misunderstood. Here are the most common technical causes for this WSX error before we apply the universal fix. First, playing in Windows Media Player. Open the WSX file in Windows Media Player by double-clicking it or dragging it onto the player window. Media Player reads the playlist entries and begins sequential playback of the referenced audio and video files. Use the playlist panel to reorder, skip, or remove tracks. Next, converting to M3U format. Open the WSX file in a text editor and note the media file paths listed inside. Create a new M3U playlist by listing the same file paths one per line in a plain text file saved with the M3U extension. Most modern media players, including VLC, support M3U playlists universally. Finally, migrating to VLC. Open the WSX playlist in VLC Media Player, which supports multiple playlist formats. Use VLC's media, then save playlist function to export as M3U or XSPF format for universal compatibility. This ensures your curated playlists work across any modern media player application. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like FileMagick, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.